Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control system, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, outside temperature gauge. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified Program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.